The Olympic slogan is Inspire a Generation. Swimmers were very successful at London 2012. So where do you swim in Lakewood? You can't. But the latest plan for the Icknield Port Loop now includes, wait for it, yes, a swimming pool. Hannah Rowley reports.
Recently, public meetings were held to discuss plans for the Icknield Port Loop. While most of the area is set up for housing, we can tell you that this building is likely to be kept and turned into a leisure facility. Now it is to be given a new lease of life. The open courtyard may well be covered over and made into a community venue, with perhaps badminton or tennis courts. However, the planners and potential developers are well aware of the campaign to have a pool built, and at the consultation meeting it was said that a swimming baths could be built here instead.
TNT can exclusively reveal that a new plan does contain room for a pool. This plan has been made since the local elections. There could be a 4-lane pool with a learner pool or even an 8-lane pool for competitions. Local councillors are expected to be in favour of the pool plan, and so are we.
TNT News. Bang up to date.